Hi, I'm Chef Nikki Shaw, featured chef for Cuisine Noir, and today we are partnering with Tony's Chachere. This is one of my favorite seasonings, and I'm about to make my Cajun deviled eggs with crispy bacon, and I know you're gonna love it. So I'll start with just boiling my eggs for 12 minutes, and I start counting 12 minutes after the water starts to boil. Then when your eggs are all done, rinse them with cool water, then peel your eggs right after that. Next, we're going to take a knife and we're going to slice the egg in half, and we're going to put the yolk in the bowl, and then we'll put our egg shell or our egg white on a platter. After we've added our egg yolk to the bowl, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, add a tablespoon of sweet hot mustard, 2 tablespoons of sweet relish, 1/4 teaspoon of Tony's More Spice Creole seasoning. I put it on everything. So now I'm just breaking up my egg yolks. And next I'm going to blend all of that completely till it's nice and fluffy, and I like to use my mixer. So after my mixture is well blended, we're going to use a resealable sandwich size bag, and I'm going to fold the edges down just to keep it nice and neat and clean. And then I'm going to put my filling inside. So I'm going to twist the bag just to make sure there's no air inside. And I'm going to cut about 1 inch off the tip of the corner. And I'm going to slowly pipe my mixture into my egg whites. This makes a beautiful presentation, especially if you're having friends over or family. This just takes it to the next level. And then, of course, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of More Spice Creole seasoning on top of each egg just to give it that extra flavor. I'm going to take my bacon and I'm going to cut it into about 1-inch pieces. I'm going to put each piece of bacon on top of each egg. This looks so good. What is a better combination than bacon and eggs? All right, that's our Cajun deviled egg with crispy bacon recipe. To find this recipe and more, go to cuisinenoirmag.com or tonysachary.com. Enjoy.